All right, the second way that I want to show observation notes here with Brisk is imagine a principal going in to do an observation of a teacher. And again, starts with some of those basic kind of things, what they saw, what strategies management, and again, no PII being used here. So I'm going to take this part here and I'm going to ask it to brisk this principal observation here. So I'm going to go also into those observation notes and I'm going to paste this in here. And I'm going to say that it's a kindergarten teacher. I give it a little more background that they're in their second year of teaching and that they want to use these observation notes to help write up a formal evaluation of this particular teacher. So I go in there then and I click brisket and it generates some of those things that I'm going to include in the formal evaluation of that particular teacher. So, again, the areas of strength, the areas suggested for improvement, as well as what some of those next steps are. Then it begins drafting that letter that you would then send along with that particular formal evaluation of that particular teacher. You can see it's pretty in depth into what it gives into that evaluation that that principal did. And again, remember that you can always use these other tools here to either make it shorter, longer, more or less detail. And of course, because it's this Google Doc, you can add other features into it. And you can, like we talked about before, take part of it and use it to branch out with some more specific examples. And it's just kind of, again, another great time-saving tool if you are an administrator and especially you're going around and you're doing several of these observations in a week, and it just gives you a lot then to go off of, and I think a really good place to help make that observations and those evaluated criteria something that can really be used to help that particular teacher.